Only two questions.
Trinamool Congress, Shiv Sena and Samajwadi party leaders are there. But today we are able to see Shiv Sena people are enjoying with the BJP. How benefit it is going to be?
Sir, one thing we have to understand, Shiv Sena party in Tamil Nadu, totally lock, stock and barrel, they have merged with Bharatiya Janata Party, including its state president. And all the office bearers, senior office bearers, right up to district presidents have joined. This only shows their confidence on our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, their confidence on Tamil Nadu BJP unit, their confidence on our Nadda ji. That is the only thing I can say, sir. And last but not the least, you will also appreciate the fact, in a state like Maharashtra, when Shiv Sena party is at loggerheads with BJP there, here Shiv Sena party has totally merged with us. That's a sign of things to come. That's a sign of where the politics is headed.
God's own country has become a con.
Sir, it is strictly condemnable. Nowadays, I keep raising my voice against the atrocious activity of the CPIM party in Kerala. 266 people plus have got brutally murdered in Kerala over the years. The Bharatiya Janata Party have lost 3 of their leaders in the last 60 days. And today, look at the audacity. A state-level leader's house, Alappuzha, people barged in, brutally butchered and murdered him. This is a classic case. The constitutional breakdown in Kerala has happened. If you want any more evidence, this is the evidence. When the lawbreakers are going scot-free across Kerala, when the CM doesn't have any single control on the police machinery there, it clearly points to the fact there is a constitutional breakdown in Kerala. People's life, and especially Bharatiya Janata Party leaders and cadres' life, are no more safe in Kerala. I think the CM should take moral responsibility and resign. That is my only request to the CM. Please don't allow Kerala to become a complete killing field. Take responsibility and resign. Let a new party come to power and protect people's life there. Thank you.